Hi friends, let's review the Union Budget 25-26 which was presented by Finance Minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman on 1st February 2025. First, let's look into direct taxes. As you can see, there's a new percentage, that is 25% has been introduced, which was not there earlier. And also, earlier 30% was tax was charged beyond 15 lakhs, now it is getting charged beyond 24 lakhs. So, a great relief for especially for salaried people and those people who were earning below 12 lakhs. Let's see. See here you can see the tax benefits. See earlier under the previous financial year tax slab under new regime, a person who was earning 12 lakhs was paying 80,000 rupees tax. Now it is zero. So a person who is earning 12 lakhs or less need not pay tax. So this tax slab is applicable beyond 12 lakhs. So still a person who is earning beyond 12 lakhs also saves. For example, a person who is earning 16 lakhs when compared to previous year tax is going to save 50,000 in taxes. It goes up to 1.1 lakhs. That's 24 lakhs. A person saves 1 lakh 10,000. But the savings is huge for the person who is earning up to 12 lakhs. Also, please remember there's for salaried employees there is an additional 75,000 standard deduction available. So that means if his income is increasing beyond 12 lakh 75,000, then only the tax is applicable. So let's move to the next screen. So let's see other what are the direct taxes changes for the other direct taxes changes. So a new income tax bill which is aimed at simplifying tax compliances is being introduced in coming weeks. It is said that up to 50% of the act will be cut down and to make it simple. So here when it comes to TDS, the point to be noted is that the TDS threshold on rent has been increased from 2.4 lakhs to 6 lakhs. It's a major relief for the especially for the landlords for whom the tax used to be deducted at 10%. But also please note that it is not actually 6 lakh, it's 50,000 per month. So even if 6 lakh means even if a tenant comes in between the year, if the rent is more than 60,000 and the annual rent is not 6 lakhs, still he has to deduct. So 50,000 is the criteria, not the 6 lakhs. Please note down. And the major relief, TCS has been removed from the sale, because always there used to be a confusion whether to charge, not to charge. The when the customer had to give a declaration not to charge. Even after charging, customer used to request and says, please give a credit note, or we have already issued purchase order without TCS. So a lot of confusions was there, but this is finally settled. So for filing updated return, it's the time has been extended from 2 years to 4 years. So here, in case of income from house property, a person can now is eligible to claim two self-occupied properties as nil tax without any consideration instead of one earlier. So this is a very important point, that if a person has a capital gain, that is sale of capital assets in case of the short term or long term, he has to pay tax irrespective whether his income, total income crosses 12 lakhs or not 12 lakhs. So capital gain income is not falling part of 87A rebate. The tax needs to be paid separately. Also, when it comes to ATIAC, for especially for the startups, they can still avail the deductions of 3 consecutive years. The deadline has been extended further by 5 years. Surcharge remains the same, no change, just for reference. Even income tax rates for companies remains the same, no change. Now let's come to see the major change here is mandatory pre-deposit has been notified. That is minimum a 10% pre-deposit is now required for penalty only appeals. Other point, there's a credit guarantee covered by the government for MSME, which is raised from 5 crore to 10 crore. Please remember, but the interest rate is quite high in these cases. Uh, Also, the MSME classification has been changed. So here, micro and small enterprise, medium enterprise assets, there's no major benefit, but major benefits is garnered by micro and small enterprises here. So up to 100 crore, up to 100 crore, they tend to be considered as small enterprises, so they can get their payment within 45 days, which now companies are forced to make the payments within 45 days. Also, they can avail a lot of loan and credit facilities from the bank. uh, Medium enterprises, it's 250 to 500 crore. So micro, it is 5 crore to 10 crore. So that's it. Hope have covered the main points in budget. Thanks a lot. Vande Mataram.